Eevelle designs and manufactures high-quality performance products for those who love the outdoors. WindStorm Elite T top boat covers by Eevelle are a high-end line of semi-custom boat covers that are handcrafted in North America and rated #1 in customer satisfaction. WindStorm Elite covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They're made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit. WindStorm Elite T-top boat covers are manufactured with Sunflair marine-grade fabric and are designed to withstand extreme marine conditions. WindStorm Elite boat covers with Sunflair come with a 10-year warranty and are handmade from Sunflair 9.25-ounce solution dyed acrylic with UV coating and rot-proof double-stitched seams. Sunflair covers are available in a variety of vibrant, long-lasting colors. All WindStorm Elite covers come with reinforced nose cone and rear corners, providing extra strength and protection. WindStorm Elite boat covers feature a heavy-duty sewn-in shock cord in the hem. This will hold the cover in place and reduce billowing. WindStorm Elite boat covers include a free XT strap kit with 12 10-foot heavy-duty cover straps. Sewn-in strap loops at 2-foot intervals provide a variety of options for strapping down the cover. Heavy-duty zipper on port side allows easy access to cockpit without having to remove the cover. WindStorm Elite Series covers also include a convenient stuff sack for easy storage. WindStorm Elite T-top boat covers are high-performance, full-featured covers made with acrylic marine-grade fabric, designed to provide years of quality protection. Eevelle, quality and performance by design.